Alright guys, so if you take a closer look on my screen right here, you can see I have a balance of almost 500 USDT, and I made these figures by simply trading on this platform called Bytrading. I'm also going to drop the link to sign up in the video description or the pinned comment down below. Now, quick disclaimer, this video is only for information and education purpose. Trading is very risky and you can lose your money in the process. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and let's jump right into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so to create an account, go ahead and click on the first link you are going to see in the pinned comment or the video description, and it's going to load up and take you right here. Enter your email. So for example, I'm going to enter one of my email address right here and click here. Once I click on it, you can see verification code has been sent. If I come back here, you can see this is the verification code here. So all you need to do is to copy the code right here, come back to the platform, paste it here. So after that, go ahead, create a password, and over here you are going to see my invitation code. So just leave it like that. If you do not see it, you can go ahead and check it in the video description down below and press it here, then you click on sign up. So that is basically how to create an account. Alright guys, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. Now, how do you start trading on this platform? It's actually quite easy. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and fund your account for the trading. And to fund your account, all you need to do is to come over here, click on my here, and click top up. It's going to take you here. Tap over here and select how you want to top up. So you can top up using TRC20 USDT, you can top up using TRX, you can top up using Nigerian Naira, you can also top up using PKR. For example, let's say you want to top up using Naira, just tap on it here, select the amount you want and proceed. If you want to top up using USDT, tap on it, select the amount of USDT and proceed. So that is basically how to top up your trading account. Now, before you start trading, let me show you guys something I personally have been doing, and it is actually advisable for everyone to do if you actually want to make profits. So you need to go ahead and divide your capital. So you can come back here and click on calculator. Over here you can see the table here. You can divide your capital into 8 times. You can select how you want to divide your capital. So if I click on periods right here, you can see right here you can divide your capital by 2x, 2.2x, 2.3x, and up to 2.8x. For example, you want to divide your capital into 8 times. Remember, you can divide it into 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, or even up to 10 times. But let's divide our own into 8 times. So let's say you fund your account with 10 USDT. This calculator here is going to show you exactly how much you should place your trade. Now, this calculator divides this based on your capital. So if I increase the capital now to, let's say, 100 USD. Now, the reason why this calculator is so useful is because it actually helps you manage blowing up your account. So if you have only 10 USDT, if you enter the first trade and it's lost, you enter the second trade. If it's lost, you enter the third trade. If it's lost, you enter the fourth trade, fifth trade, sixth trade, seventh trade. 99% of the times, one of these trades here will be a success. It's basically help you make profit and the capital back. So that is why this calculator is very, very important. Now to trade, all you need to do is to come back here on the home page and now click on this BY here. This is going to open up, and right here you can trade 1 minute, you can trade 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Now what are you trading here? You are basically trading color and size. So you can trade size and you can trade colors. So under the color here, you can select red, purple, or green, and under sizes here you can select big or small. So for example, if you select big here, scroll down here, you enter the amount, then you click on trade, you wait for the result to come out. If your prediction is correct, big is going to come out. If it is wrong, small is going to come out, and you lose your capital for the trade. Now let's say you are trading on colors. All you need to do is to select the color. Let's say you select green to come out. After that, you scroll down here, you enter the amount here, and you enter your trade. Now always make sure you select your time here. So for example, you can select 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 minute. Most of the times I use the 1 minute trade right here. Let me show you guys my balance. So I'm gonna come back here. You can see my balance is 499 USDT. So let's go ahead and enter the trade. I'm gonna click here, then I'm gonna select green. I'm gonna start my trade with 2 USD. guys, make sure you make use of the calculator. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the trade and click confirm. Alright, so you can see right here I actually won. If I come back here, you can now see my balance is 501. So I actually placed that trade and I actually won. So let's go back again and enter the trade. This time around I'm going to enter big instead of color. I'm going to trade on size. Right now I'm still going to enter my trade with 2 USD and click on trade, click confirm. You can see success. If I go back right here, see my balance is now 499.20. The timer is counting down. I actually selected 1 minute trade. If my prediction is correct, I'll win. If it is wrong, I lose my capital. Alright guys, so it's counting down. Let's see if the prediction was wrong or alright. So you can see we was actually right and we win again, guys, as you can see right here. Now if I go back right here, you see that I now have 503 USDT. That is basically how to trade on the platform. You can trade on colors, you can trade on sizes, and also don't forget to make use of the calculator right here. You select how you want to divide your capital, you select how many times you want to divide your capital, then you enter the amount you have in your balance, and the calculator is going to show you exactly how much you should enter for each. Now one thing I want to mention is that if you enter a trade with 1 USDT and the trade is success, all you need to do is to keep on entering the trade with the same amount until maybe there is a loss. Then you can proceed to enter the next trade following how much the calculator tells you to enter. So if there is no loss, continue entering the trade with the same amount, but if there is a loss, that's when you make use of the calculator so you don't run into losses. Alright, so let me show you how to withdraw. All you need to do is to go ahead, tap on my here and tap on withdraw. It's going to prompt you to enter your wallet. So you can withdraw through cryptocurrency or through fiat currency. So for a lot of you guys, maybe in Nigeria, you may want to withdraw through your Nigerian bank account. So you can just come over here, click where it says nation and select your nation. So let's say you're in Nigeria, select NGN. You can just tap over here and select your bank. Enter your name, your bank account number, and click over here to get a verification code. And they are going to send you a verification code to the email you registered the account with. Next, just copy the code and enter it here and confirm your bank. You can also make use of cryptocurrency here. You can use TRC20 to withdraw. So that's basically how to withdraw from the platform. You can also end here by referring your friends. So you can click on invite. It's going to take you here. You scroll down here and read more about the referral system. Then copy your referral link by clicking on this arrow here. You can see copy successful. Share it with your friends, and if they sign up, they start trading, you are going to get a percentage each time they trade. Just go through it here to understand how the referral program works.